Don't forget to turn on captions. Welcome to a new video. Last time we talked about possessive adjectives. You'll find the link for this video in the description. Don't forget to check my channel. There's tons of videos about grammar and other interesting stuff. Today, we will talk about object pronouns. Object pronouns are the pronouns that receive the action. Like me. When I use it, it means that I receive the action. Like, she helped me. You, at the end of a sentence to show that the person in front of you received the action. Like, what happened to you? Her, when I want to talk about a female that received the action. Like, the bag fell on her. Him, when he is the receiver of the action. Like, John hit him. It, when we want to describe something that happened to an object or an animal. Like, the computer, something is wrong with it. Us, when we receive an action as a group. Like, they served us at the restaurant. Them, when a group I'm not included in receives the action. Like, who broke the glass? It was one of them. Well, this is our third video about pronouns. Stay tuned for the next one when we explain together other types of pronouns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.